In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a professional profile on Contra. So whether you're a freelancer, designer, or developer, having a strong profile can help you attract clients and showcase your expertise. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the well-optimized Contra profile that stands out. So before building your profile, you need to create an account. So make sure you are on the official website of contra.com and then click the sign up and then register using your email, Google or Apple ID and then set up your username and basic details. So once you're in, let's move on to settings your profile. So your profile picture is the first thing that clients see. So make sure it looks professional. You can use a high quality headshots. Make sure it's clear and well lit and then keep it consistent with your brand. For example, same photo as LinkedIn, and then your bio should briefly describe that you do and why clients should hire you. So make sure you keep it short, engaging, and to the point. Highlight your skills and experience and then use keywords that describes your expertise. For example, web designer specializing in UI UX, and then a strong bio increases your chance of being discovered by the right clients. So Contra allows you to add projects to your profile, so making it easier for clients to see your skills in action. So you can just click the services in here and then click the add a project and upload images, videos, or links to your work, and then write the short descriptions about the project and your role, and then add tags and categories to make it more discoverable. And then the more high quality projects you add, the better your profile will look. And then if you want clients to book you directly, you'll need to add your services and then select the type of work you offer, for example graphic designer or content writing, and then set your pricing structure. Make sure it's fixed, hourly, or milestone based, and then provide a detailed service descriptions to manage your client expectations. A well-defined services helps clients understand what you offer and make you hiring easier. So make your profile more credible by linking to your other platforms like at LinkedIn, Twitter, Portfolio, website, GitHub, or Behance. These links help showcase your expertise beyond the Contra and down. And now that your profile is set up, make sure everything looks great. Double check your for typos and formatting errors. Customize your profile layouts and branding, and then share your Contra profile on social media, LinkedIn, and with potential clients. And that's it. Now you have a fully optimized Contra profile that showcases your skills and attracts clients. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.